This is my bike check, 2011, We the People, arcade. Okay, start off with the grips. Stock fit, but they're practically custom on my bike since mine's not a fit. I actually got them off my friend for free because my other grips gave me this. And there's a little thing in my bars. It sticks out. And it poked me. These are my friend's bars. Pretty cool. Thank you for shopping with us. Pretty boss. There's off a stock Verde radio. Stem, just regular salt stem. I might get a new one. I don't know. I know I put a scavenger and a kink sticker on my bike, but people keep on saying, "Oh, is that a scavenger? Oh, is that a kink?" Well, I don't know. It's stock. See the people. I got Sean Sexton's signature with forget who that is. With Dirty Dan's signature. Got a couple of scratches. I'm getting a new frame for my birthday, so. For my front tire, I have a Innova. There we go, Innova. Rim, I have a salt stock rim that came with it. It's been holding up pretty good. It's wiggling a little. Stock salt hub holds up pretty good. How nicely it spins. Starting off. And I know I put a Fly Bikes sticker on my forks. Plus a Madera sticker, but none of those things. Pegs, pretty good. They're actually twisty ones. So I like riding with twisties, because I can just use a wrench. Boop. Pedals, Eclat Surge. They came with the bike, but you can buy them off of Dance Comp. Hold up pretty good. They have really good grip. Crank salt. No, you can't really see it. It's usually silver. It's really hot and all these flies are flying right in my face, so if you see the camera wiggle, it's not my fault. Always do the flies. Sabrosa sprocket skeleton key. For the bearings, I might need to get new bearings because they're starting to rust. You see by that? Then I think it's a stolen revolver. Red. Starting to make my bike black and red. So, pretty good. Hub, I think it's the same stolen revolver. Tire. This is off a ODK my friend used to have, so it's holding up pretty good. Pegs, stock, salt, so they're not twisties. I'm gonna get another one so I could just use a wrench, but I might not. Seat. I traded this with my friend. I need a premium. I don't know. Metal seat post. I really don't know. I bought it off of my friend. Seat clamp off of my old Verde Eon. And another signature by somebody. I forget who. Now it's time for hub check. That's my bike check.